Smoking a cigarette might seem quick and harmless, but its effects are immediate and far-reaching. From the first puff, harmful chemicals begin to wreak havoc on your body. Tar coats your teeth and gums, causing discoloration and decay. Deep in your chest, your lungs are coated with toxic chemicals, making it harder to breathe. Less oxygen reaches your body, leaving you short of breath and low on energy. A cross-section of a human lung shows one side healthy and pink, while the other is blackened and damaged, representing a smoker's lung. As you continue to smoke, the damage to your body accumulates, casting a long shadow on your overall health and well-being. The very systems designed to keep you alive and thriving become compromised by the constant onslaught of harmful chemicals. Your heart, responsible for pumping blood throughout your body, suffers as nicotine constricts your blood vessels, forcing your heart to work harder and increasing your blood pressure. This constant strain on your cardiovascular system significantly increases your risk of heart attack and stroke, but the dangers of smoking extend far beyond your heart. The chemicals in cigarette smoke are known carcinogens, meaning they can damage your DNA and increase your risk of developing cancer in various parts of your body, not just your lungs. From lung cancer to bladder cancer, throat cancer to stomach cancer, smoking increases your risk for a multitude of these devastating diseases. The toxins in cigarette smoke, such as arsenic and nickel, interfere with your body's natural DNA repair mechanisms, making it harder for your body to fight off cancerous cells. A diagram of the human body highlights the organs commonly affected by smoking-related diseases, such as the lungs, heart, mouth, throat, and bladder. Quitting smoking is the single most important decision you can make for your health and well-being. While the damage caused by smoking can be significant, your body is, honestly, remarkably resilient and begins to heal itself from the moment you put out that last cigarette. It's never too late to experience the transformative power of quitting and reclaim your health. Within minutes of your last cigarette, your body starts to reverse the harmful effects of smoking. Your heart rate and blood pressure begin to return to normal, improving blood circulation and reducing the strain on your cardiovascular system. As you continue on your smoke-free journey, the healing process gains momentum, restoring your body's natural defenses and reducing your risk of serious health problems. The benefits of quitting smoking are not just physical, they are also mental and emotional. Quitting can improve your mood, reduce anxiety and stress, and boost your self-esteem. You'll also be setting a positive example for your loved ones, inspiring them to live healthier lives. When you quit smoking, you might notice, well, some pretty amazing changes. Your skin becomes clearer, your eyes look brighter, and your teeth start to look healthier. These visible improvements are just a glimpse of the powerful transformation happening inside your body. Within 24 hours of quitting smoking, your body begins to heal. Carbon monoxide drops, letting your blood carry more oxygen. You'll breathe easier and feel more energetic. Smell and taste start to return. Most importantly, your risk of heart attack drops, proof your body can recover quickly. In the very first 24 hours after quitting smoking, your body begins to experience remarkable benefits. Improved lung function, a reduced risk of heart attack, and enhanced senses of smell and taste are just a few of the rapid changes that start to take place. It's honestly amazing how quickly your body can start to heal. As days turn into weeks and weeks into months, the positive changes in your body continue to unfold. Within just a few days, your lungs begin to clear out mucus and debris that have accumulated over years of smoking. This means you'll cough less, breathe easier, and have more energy for physical activity. The cilia in your airways begin to regain their function, helping to protect your lungs from infections. After a year of being smoke-free, your risk of heart disease is cut in half compared to when you were smoking. Your blood circulation improves and your lungs become stronger, allowing you to engage in physical activities with greater ease and endurance. The benefits continue to accrue over time. After 5 years of quitting, your risk of stroke is significantly reduced, approaching that of a non-smoker. 10 years after your last cigarette, your risk of developing lung cancer is cut in half, and your risk of other smoking-related cancers, such as bladder, throat, and mouth cancer, also decreases substantially. These long-term benefits demonstrate the profound impact of quitting smoking on your overall health and longevity. Over the years, the health benefits of quitting smoking continue to grow. Your risk of heart disease, stroke, and various cancers drops dramatically, giving you a much better chance at a longer, healthier life. It's clear that every day you stay smoke-free, your body rewards you in ways that are both immediate and lasting. Quitting smoking is a personal journey, and honestly, there is no one-size-fits-all approach. Fortunately, there are many resources and strategies available to help you quit successfully. Nicotine replacement therapy, like nicotine patches, gum, lozenges, and inhalers, can help reduce withdrawal symptoms by providing a controlled dose of nicotine without the harmful chemicals found in cigarettes. Counseling and support groups can offer emotional support and practical strategies for coping with cravings and triggers. Cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT, can help you identify and change negative thought patterns and behaviors associated with smoking. And, incorporating regular exercise into your routine can be incredibly helpful during the quitting process. Exercise releases endorphins, which have mood-boosting effects, and can help alleviate withdrawal symptoms such as anxiety and irritability. It's important to remember that withdrawal symptoms are temporary and a sign that your body is healing. There are so many approaches to quitting, and really, it's about finding what works best for you. Whether it's nicotine replacement, joining a support group, talking with a therapist, or getting active, these solutions can make a big difference on your journey to quitting. Quitting smoking is a journey that requires commitment, but the rewards are immeasurable. It's about reclaiming your health, adding years to your life, and improving your overall well-being. Remember, you are not alone in this journey. Reach out to your healthcare provider, join a support group, or confide in a trusted friend or family member. There are people who care about you and want to support you every step of the way. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small they may seem. Every cigarette you don't smoke is a victory. Visualize yourself living a healthier, happier, and smoke-free life. It's within your reach. Take that first step today and embrace a brighter, smoke-free future. Quitting smoking is truly a triumph, and it marks the beginning of a healthier future. Embrace this new chapter, knowing that every step you take brings you closer to the life you deserve.